Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and set up a quiet mode on Instagram. So once you are on your Instagram and on your profile icon, you want to go ahead and click those three lines at the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Now from here you want to find the section called how to use Instagram and click on notifications. Now on notifications, you can clearly see pause all. So you can just temporarily pause notifications and you also see the quiet mode. The quiet mode basically works like this. You toggle it on, start time. For example, from at night, you don't want to get notifications and others will also see that you are in quiet mode. And choose days. You choose days when you want to be on the quiet mode, for example, through the whole work week, and then your quiet mode is turned on. If you don't see the quiet mode, you want to go ahead to your app store, search for Instagram, and maybe instead of open button, you will see update button, or the same goes for Android too. And also, if you will still not have the quiet mode, you can also use the pause all button also for up to 8 hours. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.